What is up guys? This is Jordan Chato and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing video. Okay, we're gonna be unboxing a new laptop. And this laptop also is recommended for online classes. So, do you want to see the laptop already? So, let's get into it. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling. What I have here is... Okay, what I have here is this. See this? Okay, this is a brand new laptop. So guys, this is a new Asus laptop. This is i5. The last one that I unboxed, it's i7. It's Asus, I guess so. Oh yeah, Asus. And then this one is i5. This is also best for online classes. If you want to buy, this is, you know how much? This is 42,995. And my friend keep on telling me that why do laptop prices are 49,999, why dili ko no 50,000 dayon para makainggan nyo bisag piso ra. Okay, so this is the laptop guys, and it has a Microsoft Office inside. I hope you can see this one because naning kaayo inyong friend nga mag-unbox. So this, oh look, I hope no focus sa camera, I can see it. Okay, and then yeah, Asus. See, Asus. Okay, let's start. Again, do not accept if broken ang seal. So that's it. Guys, the last time ko wala man ko'y wala ko'y cutter or nor gunting. Karon na nag-purchase na ko. Di tayo joke ra. Nakita na sa drawers. Okay, so let's do it. It's very satisfying. Ay, diday. Katuday itong ano. Oh my God, guys! Another laptop na with another viral. Okay. Okay, this laptop, ako ni siyang gipalit sa Thinking Tools si PG. Shout out. Baka naman sponsored. It's not sponsored, guys. Hindi siya sponsored. Sana all sponsored. And the same problems sa the first na ko nga ano, dili siya kahit. Okay. Wait sa guys super duper gahi. Like, wait sa. Okay, here. Na-open na ako and mauni ang naisa sulod. Again, Asus, kay nindot yun na sila kay na pinangalan. In search of incredible. Like, paki-Asus ko guys. Sa ato ning nabalik na po yung miski. Ang bobo ko talaga. Wait a little bit guys. Okay, here. Open sa nako. Then, you want, later ako patanawan sa sulod. Kani may sulod. Dako siya guys. Yung sa the last time nga ako ang unbox. And let's get the oh my God, excited ako. But before that one, ato sang tanawon ang mga boxes. Before this one, ato sa box. And I know, kay bola naman sa isunod sa box. Nalapo ko ani. So, charger. Natural charger. Next one, the manual and the user guide. Lagi, user guide, lagi manual. This one and this one. Okay. Naginis sila always. And wala na. Yeah, empty box na. Empty. Okay. So, ako na siya ipadap. Ito na to sa mismong unit. Okay, so, this is a silver. The last time, more gray to. Or kani, silver. Like brand new guys. Brand new. Okay. Asus. Ano, bali dito the last time na ako. See? Silver. And then, when you open, handle it with care kay mahal. Okay, so, kani butang-butang pa ni ani mga 1 week. Okay. Pinangga pa ang laptop. And then, here, this is the laptop. It's so nice. It is, naka-built-in na niya is Core i5, as what I've said the last time. And then, nano edge display. Kabo na mo alam sa ng nano edge display. Kaya ako na siya gi-explain the last time. If you want, akong i-link, akong i-butang ang link sa look at this. Kana, maana. Then, lightweight. Yeah, gaan siya guys. Dili siya pareha ng mga bulky bitong nga laptop. So, this is the Asus. And let's try. Nindot kayo siya ukuan. Pang social. Look. Nindot siya. Then, yeah, ang kanindot lang niya. Kaya nga no, makatype na ka sa, I think makatype na ka sa Enye Betadayon, diba? The shortcut for Enye is Alt 165, I guess. And then, pwede na ka makatype ani. And wala ni siya sa uban nga laptop. Kani siya, wala ni sa uban nga laptop. White keyboard yung nani. Only this laptop lang. So, why na? Char. Since what I've told you ganina, naka-built-in na nila ang Microsoft Office. So, nanan siya Microsoft Office like Word, PowerPoint, which is needed sa inyo ang online classes. So, here, nindot siya ang edge. You look at the edge. See, nindot siya kaayo. And then, nipis lang siya. Bugat-bugat lang siya gamay sa akong gi-unbox the last time. But, you know, this one is so nice. Let's see the camera. Okay, diba? For Zoom classes, you need a very nice camera. Oh my God, sorry. It's very, there. Here, di mo ni camera. Nindot na sa siya. So, tanaw na to ang iyang storage. OneDrive. This PC na lang. This PC. Okay. Na siya, ang OS niya is na siya 236 GB and then data niya kay 131 GB. Same as the other one na siya, basta dako na siya guys. Pero if you want to upgrade, pwede na bumudong sa thinking tools and then you add more storage if ganahan din mo kay since online classes you need to have a kanabetang more storage sa laptop. OBS you need also to have RAM nga mas dako then OBS Zoom like that mo ni siya guys. I hope I can and also legit because iyang keyboard the keyboard itself, it will, kanang, siya siya, guys. Nindot kaayo. See? I don't know if you can see it, but nagsiga siya. Okay, so, motto, tagaan ta small montage as what you like. Small montage sa ani nga laptop. And, mangita sa ako og help kay I'm filming this one by myself. And I have a friend there. Ay, wait up! And this laptop, naan siya case? Laptop bag. Free nga laptop bag. Sponsored by Asus. It's not sponsored. Nakaduha na muna mo Asus ha. Baka naman thinking tools. Baka naman may sponsor dyan. Nakaduha na muna mo. So, mga 80 na kape na mo ang nagasto. So, here, Asus bag. Dindot ilang bag. Like, pwede pang or earning nyo. Yeah, you need to buy. Yeah. So, nindot ang bag. It's just small bag. Bag mentally, they don't have sling na. Okay. The Microsoft here that is built in this laptop is very updated na. It's 2019 na iyahang Microsoft din nga naka-built in sa laptop. So, Nice na kaayo. 42,995 na kay i5 yung Intel. i-Core 5. And then, na kay nano na sa ang edge lift niya. Kaning dapit ani. Kani siya. Nano na sa. So, matilt-tilt. Dili matilt ha. Pero imuhang makakuha na ka o comfy ni mo nga one naman ni trendy karon sa mga laptop. And also, dako na ang RAM. So, very suitable for your online classes. So, again, how much? This is 42,995. For only 42,995, you can buy one of the best laptop for online classes. So, mapalitin ninyo sa Thinking Tools. And then, if you want, please hurry up kay nagkaubusan na. So, another laptop for this vlog. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and please click the notification bell so you will be updated in my next video. Thank you and God bless. Take care. Bye bye.